Hello, thank you for visiting the Cosmic Patterns channel. I am glad you made it here. Welcome. Today we're going to show you the demonstration on how to export the birth data from the WinStar program into the Sirius program. The Sirius program can import birth data from WinStar in quick chat format. Okay, now this is two processes. First, you run your WinStar program, export the birth data, and then you run your Sirius program, import the birth data. Alright, now right now we are on this WinStar program. Okay, so let me show it to you. There are several little buttons here at the bottom here. Okay, these are all about the chart database. At this point, we're going to use this little button. It's called the chart database. You click on this one, and then it will populate your list of chart database that you saved within the Matrix program. In this case, it's the WinStar program. Okay? Now, nothing is selected in here. When you click on each one of them, then it gets selected. But we want to export all of these, right? So we're gonna have to select all of these. Now, how do you do that? Easy and simple. Alright, let's click on charts and then click on select all charts. There you go. Now it's all selected. They're all highlighted in blue. Alright, now we click on file, and that what we should do next? Export to quick charts. Alright. Let's click on export to quick charts, and then it will ask you where to save the name database. Okay, in this case, I am going to save it on my memory stick. My memory stick is drive D, and then I will just keep the name QNames.QCK. Then you click on save. I happen to have the QNames.QCK in there already. I will just say yes, override it, and it's that simple. It should already have been exported into my memory stick. But let me check my memory stick. Okay, click in here. I go back to here, go back here, and there it is. It's happened to be 12:27 a.m. today on August 24. So we have confirmed it is in there. Okay, we close this, we close this, and now we go to the Sirius program. We will import it into the Sirius program. Okay, so since that we're dealing about the birth data, we will click on birth file, and this time what should we do? We will do the import birth data. We exported it from WinStar. We will now import it into the Sirius program. We click on, again, birth file, and we click on import birth data, and we click on import birth data again. And then from here, we click on quick chart format file, because that is the format file that we are importing from WinStar. And then we want to click on yes to replace if the same chart names, and then just ignore all of those, and then you click on OK, and then we will browse where the name database is located. This is a good thing. You can click on browse, and I know it's in drive D, so this is the drive letter here. So we click on this drop down arrow and we go to drive D. Now we are importing a quick chart, so we're gonna have to know the type of file. So this is the files to display. It's showing all files, so I have all of them in there. So we click on this drop down arrow and we click on quick chart, right? Alright, there you go. Now we will click on the QNames.QCK, because that is the name that we saved from WinStar earlier today, right? Very simple. Now let's click on OK. And now it is saying that we are grabbing the file from drive D, and the file name in this case is QNames.QCK. and we click on OK. And then it's saying on the following screen, you can select the category that you want these charts to be imported into. Then note, there may be already several seconds, there will be a delay of several seconds for the next screen to appear. So let's click on OK. So it is giving us a warning so that we don't get worried about this little delay. These days we want everything quick, but this process has a procedure. We cannot push it through. We have to wait for the program to finish. Okay, so it's importing it now, and at the same time, it's gonna add it into the database. Now, we're gonna have to choose the database that we want to add it into. In my case, I'm gonna select my category number 15. You can choose from any of these, but in my case, I'm gonna select my category number 15, and I can rename this to say category or database from WinStar. Okay, and then we have to click on update to update this name, otherwise it will not change. So we have it now. Okay, database from WinStar, and then we click on OK in here. Okay, and then we click on OK. Okay, now it is now importing the quick charts into my Sirius program. Okay, as you can see, it is doing the importing process. Okay, it says there are 38 names imported, added to my database, and we click on OK, and then we click on OK again. And then now it's calculating all those 38 charts. Okay, so now let's go and check it out. Let's click on File or click on New and click on Add New Chart. And this time, we will look for that database that we added in there. So we click on this drop down arrow in here. We click on Select a Category. And then we put it on My Data. Okay, so we scroll down here at the bottom. I called it Database from WinStar, so I select this and we click on OK. Okay, so we have it there. I happen to be in there too. Let's do Michael Earlywine, for example. And let's click on Done. And there you go, you have it. You just imported the chart database from your WinStar program. I hope you enjoyed it and you had a wonderful time watching it. But if I was way too fast for you, by all means repeat watching this video and I'll always be there for you 24/7. Okay, let me know if you have any other video that you want me to create for you. I'll be happy to do that as well. You can also send us an email to cosmicpatternsoftware@gmail.com if you have any questions. Okay, you take care now. I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, morning, afternoon, or any time that you're watching this. Alright, thank you so much for visiting the Cosmic Patterns YouTube channel. Thank you very much.